Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot. This is the December to remember. I am running out of knot ideas for Christmas, if you can tell. So this is my left side. This is at the belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm going to put in a dimple here. We're going to bring it over to the center, come up and over. We're going to leave this like this. Come over the top. Tighten it up, and then I'm going to fold it down like this, and then come up and over. Do a wreath. Bring it through. Do another wreath. Bring it across like this, and I'm trying to find a secure, this loop back here. Tuck it through that. I was trying to find a secure point to put that, and I found it. And there you have the December to remember. Let me see how I want that to look. Just like that. Peace and God bless.